Google Drive's Locations feature has been replaced with Shortcuts. In Drive, you can easily add files to multiple folders. This is a very short video and straightforward, so please watch the video until the end. Adding a file to multiple folders. Working in a given folder, we can locate the file we wish to add to another folder. Single-click on the file to select it. See the Details view and note the file's location. With the file still selected, issue a Shift-Z, holding down the Shift key and pressing Z. This opens the Add to dialog and allows you to choose the folder you wish to add the selected file to. Click the blue Add button to add the file to the chosen folder. See the Details view and note the file now has 2 locations for the file. You can work on multiple files at the same time by selecting them together and following the Add to method. Files can have many multiple locations, not just 2. With the Add to method, there is still only a single version of the file, so a deletion from any of its locations results in a deleted file everywhere. To remove a file from a single location, click on the X next to that location in the Details view. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!